Okay, guys, I'm standing behind this box because this is a special episode sponsored by ButcherBox. If you don't know ButcherBox, they do nothing but clean meat. In today's times where you can't get a salad any longer at Chick-fil-A because of all the poisons and all the bacteria and all the stuff running through our food, you want a company like this. ButcherBox makes sure all their meat is clean, all their animals are grass-fed and humanly raised and hormone-free, and all the cleanliness you don't have to worry about from stores or have recalls happen, okay? Because I post recalls all the time. This company gives you clean, great meat. So we're going to take a look at some of the meat, and we're going to use two. We're going to use the bacon, and we're going to use the ground beef, and then we're going to show you all the rest that come in this box. Are you guys ready? Come on in close. Okay, let's take a look. All this stuff came in one box. This is what you get in 1 month. This is an amazing gift. This is a great thing for anybody who cares about their health. All right, here you go. You got uncured smoked bacon. You got more bacon. You got top sirloin. Look how big and beautiful those are. You got some huge chicken breasts. We're going to be using the ground beef today. And then we got the pork. Look at those. That is pork loin chops right there. That's a whole dinner for 4. All right, so let's take the ground beef and the bacon and make something beautiful. All right, so I saw this chili recipe on Instagram and I kind of altered it. So the seasoning might not be the same. The ingredients might not be the same, but it's basically an espresso chili. Are you guys ready? I got 2 cans of espresso, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, cocoa powder, onions, diced green chilies, rotel, all your bell peppers, all the colors. Got the ground beef, which is clean, grass-fed beef right there. No sugar added, smoked bacon. I've got smoked paprika, chili powder, kidney beans, crushed tomatoes, chipotle powder, ground cumin. I got garlic down there and onion down there. And that's pretty much it. If I add anything, I'll make sure it's in the recipe down below once this video is finally over. You ready? I'm microwaving my bacon in the new Bacon Pro microwave cooker. I'm browning my ground beef in the new red copper cookware. I was lucky enough to order this one. This is the Ninja Foodie, which I think is a step above the Instant Pot. All right, this is the 8-quart. From what I heard last, they're sold out of this one. So I'm very fortunate to have it. So let's get started. We're gonna put our liquid at the bottom. So we got our crushed tomatoes. Take our diced green chilies right there. Our onions. Chipotle peppers. Now I'm gonna go get my scissors and chop these up, okay? I recommend you chop this up before you put it in so you don't have big whole peppers that some people can get burned on. This is chipotles and adobo sauce. There's the bell peppers. That's a lot of bell peppers, so I'm gonna put some in. Here's the bacon. Got the kidney beans. All right, can of rotel. We'll put our seasoning in there. That's all of our seasoning in one bowl. Measurements are down below. Here's the peppers all cut up. Thanks to my wife, thank you very much. Put those in there. And my wife's gonna dump in all the ground beef that I browned. It can be rare, it can be cooked, it can be well done, however you like your beef. There is grass-fed beef right there from ButcherBox. Now we're gonna take its double shot espresso, Starbucks version I'm using, 2 cans. So pour in 1 can, and we're pouring the 2nd can. And then we're gonna mix it all up. Make sure the seasoning's real well blended in. All right, depending on how much juice you want in your chili, I like a little bit more than this. You can add a 2nd can if you want, it's all preference. Okay, now that I have the pressure cooker lid on here, we're not gonna cook it all day for 8 hours like we used to when we were kids. We're gonna cook this for 20 minutes on high and let the pressure out when we're done, okay? Make sure your pressure valve is closed. Ready? Here we go. Dump the liquid back in. And then mix it all up. Now, you're probably saying this looks more like a soup. It looks more like a chili. But the reason I added that extra can of sauce in is because if you're a cornbread family or a bread and butter family, you're going to want bread and butter with this. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Okay, so this recipe I created right in front of you, I've never tried before. So I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Espresso chili. I put cheese in my chili. So I just mix my cheese in real quick. Get it all melty. Melty, is that a word? I don't know. Oh, look at that. Look at the cheese. This is going to burn my mouth. Are you ready? It always does. Hold on, let me get some off the top. Stringy cheese. Wow. That's amazing. The coffee flavor is so good in it. Comes right up. Not too hot. Perfect coffee flavor. Add in the ingredients you want on top of the coffee, and you'll have your own version of espresso chili. Try it out. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode.